We have to draw our own lines here. There are no pickleball courts in the city, so we use what we can find. Pickleball was a sport for old geezers. That's how it was supposed to be until all these rugrats decided they needed a confidence boost. It's sick.
Oh, what's the word, baby?
Thank God I winter in Jacksonville.
Hey Patty, how are you?
Just draw the line, pre-pubes.
You have to be really careful because if this line isn't perfectly straight, people are going to lose it.
Yeah, my mom taught me pickleball last year. It's been really nice to be good at something, anything. It's like the only thing that brings me confidence. Yeah, I love my 20s. I love my 20s. I love my 20s. Yeah, I think I'm like easily a 4.0 player now.
You may be a 4.0 player in Brooklyn, honey, but you'd be a 2.5 in Florida.
We'll show them, sis.
Okay, let's play.
I adore pickleball, especially the camaraderie it provides for us women. Oh, I'm such a girl's girl.
Let's go, Nutri-Grain.
All right, shall we warm up?
I'm ready, let's do this, come on. Paul, ball, let's go.
Lucas is like a lot of guys I knew growing up. They never actually go away.
0-0 start.
So I'm pretty good at pickleball. I picked it up a few weeks ago and it just came super naturally to me. Probably because I was a ultimate frisbee guy before this, so I have what many would consider to be elite wrist strength. Actually, if you want to zoom in on that, that'd be great. See that? The Dink Master has arrived! So when you see me on the court, what do you see? Speed, yes. Power, obviously. What you don't know, though, is I got dink in my game.
What's hot? Got this one. That's for Paul.
The old chop and change.
Yeah, pickleball is fun usually when you're winning. I just really, really hate losing.
I feel you, sis. Us women, we always get stuck on the negative. Because back in the hunter-gatherer days, the women were in charge of sorting the berries. The good versus the bad, positive versus negative. And when we put a poisonous berry in the good bunch, and our husbands died, and we would think about that poisonous berry for the rest of our lives. It's in our evolution. Don't sweat it.
Yeah, I heard about that poison bean stuff. Sucks that y'all can't be good sports because of it.
That's why it's good we have each other. You know what? Patty, Tammy, come here. Let's take a picture. Pickle chicks forever. Come on.
That was it! That was it!
It hit right there.
If the lines were drawn properly, it would have been in.
Who drew the lines? This is absurd.
It was pre-pubes.
Okay, let's take it easy on Paul. All right, you can't expect much from a man who fuels his body with soft-baked breakfast bars, which is why Cliff Bars for the win.
Okay, the world's filled with a lot of lines everywhere. I don't think I'm responsible.
Do you even know what a straight line is, Paul? Men.
You ruined my game, you ruined my life.
Okay, did I mention I brought snacks?
I'd call it out.
Hey, women supporting women? Huh?
I didn't come here to make friends, but I also didn't come here not to make friends, if that makes sense.
I mean, I'd call it in.
Hey, that's my girl.
Okay, let's redo the point.
What? No way.
Yes, way. This shot should have been in. It's only fair.
Okay, but it wasn't, so that's game.
Yeah, pickleball is cool. It creates a community of people who would normally never cross paths. Some days are more fun than others, that's for sure. But I'm grateful to be part of the Murky Waters Pickleball League. If anything, it's teaching me patience. Something my mom says I desperately need.
So I'm in charge of balls this week, and it's kind of stressful because if I lose even a single ball, people are just going to freak. Oh,